Hey folks, I want to give two examples of bijective maps between groups that are not isomorphisms because they don't preserve the group structure. Okay, so I'll call this a non-example because it's an example of what a map that's not an isomorphism. So let's look at this map phi from the real numbers under addition to the real numbers under addition, which is defined by phi of x equals x cubed. I'll draw a picture of that. It is bijective, meaning it is one-to-one and onto, but it is not an isomorphism since, okay, and we'll fill in why. So first, let me explain why this function is bijective. You could actually draw this function because we're going from the reals to the reals. And when you have a function from the reals to the reals, you usually draw the graph of this function in the plane. What does this function x, goes to x cubed look like? Well, it looks something like this. Okay. And you can see that it's a bijection because every possible input gets mapped to a different output, and every possible output indeed gets hit. Okay. But what would it mean for this to be an isomorphism? What would we need? We'd need phi of a plus b to be equal to phi of a combined with phi of b. And how are they combined? Well, they're combined under addition. Okay. But phi of a plus b is a plus b cubed, which is a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. And phi of a plus phi of b, on the other hand, well, right, phi of a is just a cubed. Okay, but this is not always true. So it's not the case that the left-hand side is always equal to the right-hand side. Right? The a cubes are fine and the b cubes are fine, but this leftover bit is going to mean that this fails. Let's pick particular numbers. For example, if a equals b equals 1, so if both a and b are 1, then phi of a plus b is equal to phi of 2, which is 2 cubed, which is 8. But phi of a plus phi of b is phi of 1 plus phi of 1, which is 1 cubed plus 1 cubed, which is 2. And 2 is not equal to 8. So we have a bijective map from this group to itself, but it doesn't preserve addition. It doesn't preserve the group operation. Questions on this first non-example?
You having your meeting?
I'm having my class. Here, let's go to a private portion. Hey, Grandpa, you want to say hi? My grandpa's going to say hi really quick.
Well,
Come on over.
what is this? Are you teaching a?
Yeah. Anyone want to turn on their video, say hi to my grandfather?
Hi, guys. Boy, is it nice to have Henry here.